Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss effective marketing strategies for small businesses. In today's video, we'll be focusing on SEO marketing strategies specifically tailored for handymen to boost their business growth. So, if you're a handyman looking to expand your customer base and increase your online presence, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the strategies, let's understand why SEO is crucial for handyman businesses. In today's digital age, potential customers are increasingly turning to search engines to find local services, including handyman services. By implementing effective SEO techniques, you can ensure your business appears at the top of search engine results, making it easier for customers to discover and hire your services. The first step in optimizing your website for search engines is conducting thorough keyword research. Start by brainstorming a list of keywords that potential customers might use when searching for handyman services in your area. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush can help you identify relevant keywords with high search volumes and low competition. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your website's content, including page titles, headings, and meta descriptions. As a handyman, your target audience is most likely within your local area. To maximize your visibility within the local market, focus on local SEO strategies. This includes creating and optimizing your Google My Business listing, ensuring your business name, address, and phone number are consistent across all online directories, and obtaining positive customer reviews. Additionally, consider targeting location-specific keywords to attract customers searching for handymen in your specific area. Creating high-quality and relevant content is essential for both user engagement and SEO. Start by developing a blog on your website and regularly publish informative articles and how-to guides related to handyman services. This not only establishes you as an expert in your field but also helps you target long-tail keywords and attract organic traffic to your site. Don't forget to optimize your blog posts with appropriate keywords and share them on social media platforms to increase visibility. Next is on-page optimization. On-page optimization refers to optimizing the elements on your website to improve its search engine rankings. Pay attention to factors such as page loading speed, mobile responsiveness, and URL structure. Ensure that your website is easy to navigate and provides a seamless user experience. Optimize your images by compressing them and adding alt tags. These on-page optimization techniques will help search engines understand your website better and rank it higher in search results. Link building is a vital component of SEO. It involves acquiring backlinks from other reputable websites to improve your own website's authority and visibility. Reach out to local businesses, industry directories, and relevant blogs to request backlinks. You can also contribute guest posts or provide expert insights on other websites, which can include a link back to your website. Just remember, focus on quality rather than quantity when it comes to link building. Finally, don't forget to monitor and analyze your SEO efforts. Tools like Google Analytics can provide valuable insights into your website's performance, including the number of visitors, their demographics, and the keywords that are driving traffic. Use this data to refine your SEO strategy and make informed decisions to further optimize your online presence. And that's a wrap on our SEO marketing strategies for handymen's business growth. By implementing these techniques, you'll be well on your way to increasing your online presence. A like would be highly appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest trends on growing your business online.